I'm using the Circle Joy handheld milk frother. Hi, let's test all these 3 stirring heads of the Circle Joy milk frother set. Let's start with the milk frother head. The milk is up to this black marker right here. We just need to pop this head in. Then it's ready to use. This is whole milk, low mode. Look how much froth I've made. Let's move on to the egg whisk. It took just a few seconds for the eggs to be stirred completely. I actually used the low mode. If you want the eggs to be more fluffy, you can use the medium mode or high mode. This beats eggs so fast. The last one, hook whisk, for mixing something like protein powders or cooking ingredients. I have 3 ingredients here. Let's put them in the water and mix them together. They are all mixed in just a few seconds. The frother is rechargeable. It comes with a charging cable, so you don't have to waste money on batteries at all. You don't have to plug it in when using it. It's stored in a nice case to keep them organized and safe. I really like it.